So how to use Klarna? So first of all, download the Klarna app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Klarna and install the app. Open the Klarna and sign up. So open the app and sign up with your email or phone number. Follow the steps to create your account. After that, browse or search for stores. So tap on shop, tap to see partner stores, or use the search bar to find the store that you want, like Amazon or eBay. Now after that, choose a store and start shopping. So tap on the store that you want to shop from. This opens the store's website inside the Klarna app. After that, add item to your cart. So shop like a normal. Add the item that you want to your cart. After that, go to checkout and pay with Klarna. So at the checkout, choose to pay with Klarna if the store supports it, or if not, go back and use Klarna one-time card. Check our other video. So we have the how to do that. So after that, pick a payment option. So choose how you want to pay. If you want to pay now, pay in 30 days, or pay in 4 interest-free payments. Pick the one that works for you, and after that, complete your purchase. Finish checkout. You will get a confirmation in the Klarna app, and now you can track and manage payment. Go to My Klarna or Purchases tab. Here you can see your orders and payment schedule. And this is how to use Klarna. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.